What we think is chic, unique, and quite adorable, they think he's odd and sodden and glamorable. But the fact is everything today is thoroughly modern. Check your personality, everything today makes yesterday slow. Better face reality, it's not insanity, says Vanity Fair. In fact, it's stylish to raise your skirts and bob your hair. In a rumble seat, the world is so cozy. If the boy is kissable and that tango dance they wouldn't allow, now it's quite permissible. Goodbye, goody girl, I'm changing and how. So beat the drums, 'cause here comes thoroughly modern Millie now. Today is thoroughly modern. Bands are getting jazzier. Everything today is starting to go. Cars are getting snazzier. Men say it's criminal what women will do. What they're forgetting is this is 1922. Have you seen the way they kiss in the movies? Isn't it delectable? Painting lips and pencil lining your brow. Now it's quite respectable. Goodbye, goody girl, I'm changing and how. So beat the drums, 'cause here comes thoroughly modern.